Hello guys, and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to give you my 5 reasons why I believe you should go and purchase the Casio W-86. First of all, this is going to be one of the best alternatives to the Casio F-91W that is not going to be available all the time. So in case you find it on Amazon, I would definitely recommend you go and grab it, because at times it is going to be unavailable and it is going to be harder and harder to get it, and also it is going to start selling at a premium in the future, in my opinion. The second reason is that the W86 is going to have a bigger and thicker case compared to the F91W. So in case you have a medium or larger wrist, your choice is going to be the W86, and also you can see that the buttons are going to pop out a lot more compared to the F91W, and that is why this is going to be a better option to medium or larger wrists in case you are looking for this 90s Casio digital look. This is how the watch is going to look on my 165 millimeters or 6.5 inches wrist. As you can see, this is going to wear a little bit bigger compared to the smaller, as I mentioned, Casio F91W. This is going to be the side-by-side comparison, and you can see that this case is a lot bigger. The third reason, and one that I believe a lot of you are going to enjoy, is going to be the light. So as you can see, this is going to be an illuminator Casio watch. So we have the electroluminescence light. So not just a lateral small light, but the full display is going to light up. The fourth thing that I love about this watch is going to be the strap. So as you can see, compared to the F91W, we are going to have a few extra holes within the strap, and that is going to make it a lot easier on the wrist. It is going to have more breathable air space in between the strap and your wrist, especially for summer. And also, if you were to put them side by side, you will be able to see that the W86 is going to be just a tiny bit longer when it comes to the full size of the strap compared to the F91W. The fifth and last reason is that the W86 has all the Casio F91W functions as well. So we have the time and date, the military time displayed right here, so I can choose between 12-hour display and 24-hour display. I also have the alarm and the stopwatch. So this is going to be a very useful, complete watch on your wrist. So a lot of functions for you to enjoy, especially the upgraded light, so the electroluminescence light as well. So guys, if you find this watch online, I would definitely recommend to go and grab it. Do not have any second thoughts, because I guarantee you are going to love it. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below in case you are interested, and as soon as the watch is available, you should definitely go and grab one. In case you enjoyed this video guys, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, it really means a lot. I'm going to post a lot of other videos about watches, vintage watches, Casio watches, watch reviews, so make sure to stay tuned, subscribe. As I mentioned, it really means a lot. And if you would like to purchase your first vintage watch, make sure to check out our website vintagereda.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale, link in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching. I'm going to see you on the next one.